welcome back. Today we are unboxing my last, maybe, probably, I think my last My Fashion Crate box. And if you've seen my other unboxings of this box, you'll understand where I'm coming from on this. Some boxes have been great, others have not. And I signed up for the 6-month commitment. You can do a month to month. I think you can do an every 3-month commitment, and then you can do a 6-month commitment. I went ahead, dove in, did the 6-month commitment. You get a little bit of money off the longer you commit. So I just dove in and did the 6-month commitment, and it ended up being like a little less than $60 a month. You get what you get. Like, it's not the kind of subscription box where you send back what you don't want and you're only charged for what you keep. You're only charged it ended up being like $57, $58 a month, and then you get everything that's in this box, whether you like it or not. And that's where the issue has been with me. I don't feel like it's really been my vibe. There's only been 2 boxes that I absolutely loved. It was last month's box. I think it was like Summer Day Picnic or something like that. They have a theme with every box. And it had 2 really pretty dresses in it. And then the Mother's Day box was just phenomenal. And there's been 2 boxes that were just okay. And then there was one that I didn't like at all. So I'm really curious to see what's in this box. This is the month of August. So this should be like tying up summer. This should be our last little summer box. So I'm really curious to see what is in here. I know it's mostly been like t-shirts and dresses. And then they throw in like accessories and makeup too, which they've been okay, but really it's the clothes that I'm really trying to go for. And I'm just on the fence on whether I should renew this or not, because as of right now, I'm just not too sure. So this box right here, what is in this box, is going to be the telltale sign if I renew with my Fashion Crate or not. So let's get into it and see what they got. So it just folds open like this, and it is packaged up really nice and neat. And right on top I see the card, and this month's theme is cruise and travel. I didn't like the themes in the beginning. I really do now, because I'm always trying to guess what the theme's going to be, and I never would have guessed cruise and travel. It says in this month's box you'll have 2 travel-inspired apparel items, a designed scrunchy hair scarf, trendy accessories, and a bonus mystery gift. They always say there's a bonus mystery gift in here, and I never really can make it make sense. But okay, first thing on top I see is this scrunchy hair tie scarf thing that they were talking about. I do love the colors. I think I might wear this. This is really pretty, really nice, just to throw your hair up into a low bun. And just it's super hot here. It's like, seriously, for the past 2 weeks it's been over 100 degrees. Like, honestly, over 100 degrees. So this would be really nice just to throw my hair up and still be cute. So I appreciate that. That one I like. I see a keychain. It is a keychain I don't see myself using. It's a teddy bear. It is cute. I mean, it's cute, but it's a teddy bear. I just don't think, I don't even want to say my style, but it's not the vibe, okay? This is not the vibe. This looks like something that would be on my little kindergartner's backpack. So this isn't for me. It's cute, it's very sturdy, the quality's good, but it's not for me. But I do like the hair tie so far. Alright, and it looks here like we got like a little travel zip pouch. This is, says follow us on Instagram, Raya Fashion, natural style, homemade. I do like that they put a lot of homemade items in here. So that's a nice little zip travel bag. Not super big or anything, but nice just to throw like your charger in, or you know, little stuff like that. So it's nice. It's really good quality, and it has like the inside that's going to protect it from moisture and everything. So that's nice. Okay, and then I see a top maybe. Maybe, if I can get it open, it's a top. Well, it's probably a top either way, but you know what I mean. Okay, this is cute. Okay. So it's just a linen top, a white linen top. It's a V-neck, and in a crisscross in the back. So, I mean, that's nice. I think that's really cute. It's kind of off the shoulder a little bit, which I think that'll show my tattoo really good. So y'all know I like shirts that show my tattoo. So right here on my shoulder. So that one's cute. I like that one. And then the last thing in the box, I feel like we didn't get much in this box. Well, 5 things. You get 5 to 8 items in every box. So sometimes you get, it feels like you get way more, and some it feels like you don't really get anything. So it is a dress. And it's just a long, slinky dress. It seems like it'd be really comfortable. Okay. Okay, that's cute. I like it. I like the material. I like the color. It's really nice. Don't know that really goes with the theme. The travel bag goes with the theme. And I can see the scrunchie going with the theme, but I'm not sure, like, am I wrong? I mean, it's like cruise and travel. I was thinking like more flowy items, or even like stuff that's like sailor type theme. Not even like sailor theme, but you know, the blue, the nautical type feel, like some blue stripes, or see, that would have been cute. That would have been cute. But I don't know. I'm not sure that I'm feeling this box either. Let's try on the clothes. We'll see what we think about it then. Okay, here is the dress. I do think it's really comfortable. It's very lightweight. So this would, I kind of see it now. You know, most of the time when you travel, it's to somewhere warm. So I can see this being a nice little casual, comfy outfit that you can throw on while you're traveling and still be really cute. It's just really lightweight. It cinches in right here really nice. So I do think it's cute. It's the same in the back as it is in the front. Same little just crisscross overlapping material. And I love the color. I think the color looks really good. But I don't know that it's something I'll necessarily gravitate to. I'm more of a jeans and t-shirt girl. Some little athletic wear. I don't wear a lot of dresses, but if I was gonna wear a dress, this one, it'd be something really comfortable like this one. So I like it. I think it's really good quality. It's not super thin. It's lightweight, not thin. So don't get it confused. It's still really breathable and a cooling type of fabric. So really nice if you were somewhere on vacation and you just wanted something comfortable, but you wanted to be cute too. So, okay, I see it now that I have it on, that this is travel inspired. So I will give them that on this dress. So let's try on the top and see what we think about that one. Okay, here's the top. I really like this top. It is very, very see-through. It's a really light linen knit type of material. You can see my bra through it, but I can see just popping a little tank underneath this, or even maybe like a little cute lace bralette, or if you are somewhere where you're like swimming or at the beach, you could put this over a bikini top And this would be really cute. I like that it comes off the shoulder some. And I really like the sleeves. It's a good length on the sleeves. And the back is adorable. That's so cute. Like, I like the little crisscross in the back, and I like that it comes down a little further in the back too. So I'm actually probably going to end up wearing this today. I think I'm going to change shirts from the one I was wearing and wear this one with the little tank underneath it. I like it. So I talked them down, but I do see the travel cruise type. I don't know so much I don't think it goes so much as a cruise theme for me, but travel, yes, they're both very lightweight items, casual, comfy, but cute all at the same time. So I can see that, and I think this will go really good with it. You can just tie it up and have your little moment. See? And you've got a cute little travel inspired outfit. So I see it now. I don't get the keychain. That's the only thing I don't get. Maybe that's like a bonus gift or something that they were talking about. But everything else I can see now goes with the theme, and I think it's really good quality. And that's the one thing I can consistently say about my fashion crate. They have really good quality items. I have not gotten anything that was a poor quality. So I do like that about them. So let me change, and then we'll kind of break it down and see where we're at with my fashion crate. Let's break it down. I do kind of see the theme now. I feel like they could have went a little harder with the theme, yes. But I do like that the items are really lightweight. Like I said, it's been really hot here. So those are items that I can throw on with the weather that we're having. And I do see the appeal of being on vacation and wearing something, you know, lightweight, comfy, cute, all those things. The hair tie I can see, the little travel bag I can see. I think I just wanted something more out of this box, and I'm not, maybe like a little more personalized, maybe more clothing items. It says on their website that you get 3 to 5 apparel items per box. And I don't know what they're considering apparel. I don't know if they're considering like the hair ties apparel or a bag an apparel item. But when I think apparel, I think actual clothing. And each box traditionally just had two clothing items in it each. I would have liked to have seen like 3 or 4 items and maybe like 1 or 2 little accessories, especially for $60 a month or a little less than $60 a month. Depends on what program you end up signing up for the 1 month, the 3 month, or the 6 month. But after taxes and all the other little fees, like it ends up being $60 a month or around that. And for $60 a month, I would have really loved to have seen at least 3 clothing items in every box. But do I still feel like you're getting a good value? Yes, because of how high quality the items are. I just don't think the things that I received are really my vibe. I don't know how much they're actually going off of the style profile. I don't think it's super personalized. I don't think they really look into what you like to wear and what you don't. And I think they have like a few little options for each box, and they just try to get as close as they can. So for that reason, I do honestly think this is my last box with my fashion crate. I could be wrong. I may venture back eventually. You may see it again over here, but for right now, I don't see myself signing back up for it just because I don't think it's my vibe. I have more of a trendy, relaxed type of vibe, and I got a lot of really pretty dresses. I love the dresses I got, But a lot of the t-shirts had like sayings and words across them, and it just wasn't for me. I have 3 teenage daughters, and they all 3 have very different styles. None of it went to waste. Someone in this house ended up with the items and absolutely loved it. So it's not like it was all for nothing. But for my style profile, putting in my style profile, and then seeing the items I got off of that, and I just don't think this box is necessarily for me. But if you like that sort of style, just because it wasn't for me doesn't mean it's not for you. If you like that really like flirty type of vibe, it's got the, you know, the flowy dresses and the little cutesy t-shirts with the ruffled sleeves and the little cotton tees with, you know, sayings and scriptures and words across the front and stuff like that. If that is your thing, then this is the box for you, because you get a really good value for your money. But the only downside for it for me is if something doesn't fit right, if I don't like it, I can't send it back. I'm just charged for what I have, and that's just what I get. And so I haven't been 100% happy with, I mean, the rate. I mean, I'm okay with this box. I've gotten 2 boxes I loved, 2 I didn't like at all, and then 2 that were okay. For me, for $60 a month, that's just not feasible. Like, I just can't make that make sense for me. For me, again. But if you like that kind of style, if you're really into that, you're not super picky, then yes, most definitely, this is a great box for you. If you're interested in signing up for the box, I'll put the link below, and you can go and sign up to receive my fashion crate. Like I said, it's a good value. Just not for me, guys. So, but if you're interested in seeing any other affordable clothing boxes, leave me some comments below on what I should try next. I know I'm kind of running out of options here for affordability, because that's what I'm all about over here, is I want affordable clothing subscriptions. So if you know of any, let me know. I know some people said Wannable. I know some people said they'd like to see FabFitFun over here, although it's more like home decor and stuff like that and lifestyle. It does have a few apparel things, but not many. But there's any unboxings that you want to see over here on my channel, let me know in the comments below, because I'm really out there searching for what you guys want to see over here. Again, I want something that we're getting the most for our money. I know Victoria's Secret just came out with a box that you can sign up for. If you're interested in that, let me know. I feel like maybe doing the box, you might save some money on a higher quality item, store brand, and they offer a lot of things from, you know, clothing, loungewear, lingerie, underwear, athletic wear. They have a wide variety. Even though it's just one brand, I feel like they offer enough that would give us a good idea if we're getting a good value from that. But yeah, I mean, I'm really looking for something to review over here so we all can figure this out together. What boxes are a hit and which ones aren't? Which ones are giving us the biggest savings and which ones aren't? If you don't want to take the risk and do it, let me know and I'll do it. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see over here, and I will give it a try and we will see what it's all about. So thank you so much for watching and unboxing this box with me and trying on all the clothes. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and you can hit that notification bell and it'll let you know every time I upload. And while you're there, please give this video a thumbs up and leave me some love in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.